Welcome back, my dear friends. Welcome back to your channel of learning mathematics in a more twisted way, in a more remixed version of Nagamese English, right? Definitely one day I'll add I'll also, right? Mm, what we were watching was like in the last video, if you've gone through it, we studied in the last video about lines and angles, linear pairs, vertically opposite angles. So in this video, what we're going to study today is about corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, angles on the same side of transversal. Geometry. Every time there's always been a headache for so many of us, isn't it? Even me also, as I was a kid. The problem with me was I really did not get to know what was geometry. The concept was not clear. But now mine is clear, so I'm here to clear yours too. So please do follow my channel, and before we really begin, please do hit the subscribe button. There is a bell icon also, so that you will get regular notification. It's just parallel to your screen below there, so please make sure that you do subscribe and do like the button. And always, as I say, watch the full video. You're going to learn a lot of things in Nagamese English. Maybe one day also. So আজি আমাৰ কি পঢ়িব corresponding angles, alternate angles, next topic laga alternate exterior angles, arrow angles on the same side of transversal. Very simple topic, okay. Anyway, before that, what we will study today is we will study about first parallel lines. Parallel line concept to clear like parallel lines. Let's clear the concept of parallel lines first. Parallel lines. Because if this concept is clear, then what we are going to discuss will be much easier, okay? Because all these angles that I showed you just before, corresponding angles, alternate interior, exterior angles, angle on same side of transversal, they all can occur only for parallel lines. So if it's not for parallel, we cannot have that, okay? So first thing is, so what are parallel? See, this, what do we call it? Wiper, duster. You see these two edges. As we all know, these two edges are like parallel. They are never going to meet, isn't it? Idu chucha nobuna tokto, katina chucha nobuna tokto. India isolo jai thaibo na parallel. Tai isolo kire lok na paworo, isn't it? So that's why they are called these are called like parallel lines. No, ekta line bi niga, ekta line bi sita. Tai isolo lok pawole chance hi nai. No, parallelly tai alok to age se do le alok to chance se. Any hai bone do. Now so parallel tai ni rasta. Of course, aman rasta bhal gan kwa na sida ja railway tracks to be jai thai wona parallel na train to ki debi jai nei niga to nahi jawo na so parallel hota hai parallelly jawo. So they are called parallel lines, okay. So railway tracks are best examples of parallel lines. Your two edges of this textbook are parallel line. This is parallel to this, right? This side is parallel to this side, so they are parallel. They are never going to meet, isn't it, unless you cut it off, right, and make it oval or some other shapes. So this parallel line concept is clear. Now if we assume like so suppose say parallel line L1, L2, then maybe we have one line, okay. Maybe we have one line that is just giving some trouble, just cutting across the line. Maybe L3, just cutting across the parallel lines, just passing by. This line is actually called the transversal. Not good handwriting. Okay, I'll just write it. Transversal. Transversal. This line is called the transversal, and it's a very important concept. Okay, this transversal concept is very, very important. So we're going to begin from here. We studied about this in our lower classes also. I'm just here to just remind you. So from Euclid's theorem or from lower classes, we have also studied that parallel lines, what happens? See, forget about those. You have these two parallel lines. Now see, this transversal is cutting these two parallel lines. Now itu transversal to right, the line to right, itu duita parallel line to cut korina jai. Now to itu cut kore dem de angle all of form hoy jai. Now some angles form hoy jai. Yatic angle form हो जैसे yatic angle form हो जैसे yatic angle form हो जैसे ना yatic ता हो जैसे yatic सब मिलाने के बाद हो जैसे 8 angle ना तो इन्हीं number लिख दियो चलो 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you have your pen and paper with you. Please, as I always say, get ready with your pen and paper. So, at angle kata ho jayesi na. Now, it is first some basic concepts na. Itu line to iniga kata parallel line janamde itu ra kati dise to itu angle do itu charta angle 3 4 5 6 itu charta angle to bitor de ho jayesi to na. Isn't it 3 4 5 6? It's inside, isn't it? So these are called interior. Okay, interior angles. Interior angles. Why? Why are they called interior angles? Because they are interior. Bitor de ase bas na. And 1 2 7 8 itu bahar side pale ho jayesi na. So they are called exterior angles. Okay, they are called exterior angles. All right. Now, clear ना? Interior, exterior, लिखे लो ना? चलो, ठीक है जी. Now you sabi. Now you sabi. Okay, remix version. Now you sabi. Okay. See, these angles that are formed sound the simple things that we know from the angles. That is, angle 1 arrow 2 to 180 over linear pair na straight line 3 4 180 over 1 4 be 180 2 3 straight line bana top to 180 ho jawo na 6 arrow 5 be 180 7 arrow 8 be 180 5 8 that is be straight angle ekta banai 180. Vertically opposite angles 2 arrow 4 1 arrow 3 5 arrow 7 6 arrow 8. Idu previous videos ka ni pori loise those kun ka ni to clear nine. Please watch the first video of lines and angles. Now we will discuss about first itula alternate, in short only I'll write interior angles, alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles. Normally man itu out, itu be out, interior line kotha korbo ta nai na, itu be out, itu be out, interior line kotha korbo laise. So we're going to be discussing what interior angles. So alternate interior angles, only interior angles. Alternate mane ki ekta yadi ekta ufali. Alternate no ulta side te. That's what we call alternate, isn't it? No, मुझे तो line दी जाए so इसलिए अपनी alternate line दिया है इसलिए जब अपनी भी same line दी नहीं बोलो ना अपनी दूसरा line दिया है बोलो, isn't it? So alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles means one here, one there. All right. Yeah, opposite sides alternate, not in the same line. Now, so what is the alternate to 3? Alternate to 3. Itu to 6 to no, that is in the same line there, isn't it? So alternate to 3 to with respect to parallel lines, alternate to 3 is angle 5. Because 4 to no, kuno do bhabi hai was sir 4 be utu side te ase to na no itu side te sole that is in the adjacent angles as na neighbors ho jai so. Isn't it? That is in the neighbor ho jai to 3 or 4 to no interior angles, alternate interior angles to. So 3 arrow 5 to alternate interior angles. 3 arrow we angle chalo angle will likhi dibo 3 arrow 5 arrow ekta do 4 arrow 6 4 arrow 6. Okay, so this pair itu dita jora do alternate interior angles. All right, and as per theorem we should also understand theorem di diya pra formula bra alternate interior angles to hotai equal thakibo, equal to hoile bi mui aru remind kore de itu only when itu line parallel lines ma joti hobo de itu line to parallel noise gole no hobo na parallel lines la mui aru to lower class karne mui conceptual topics olai dibo, that time you can just watch. Okay, so 3 4 5 6 equal, so these are called alternate interior angles. Bujise? All right, itya alternate number 2. So difficult to know it na. Alternate exterior angles. Normally the interior angles to get out. Interior angles all out. Idu kita is 1 na. Idu 2. Idu 3 4 5 6 7 8. Number to ni apne apne numbering kuri lo. Ekun noi na 7 8. To alternate exterior angle la bhi same concept. Exterior or alternate. Neighbor to know bole. To 2 arrow 8. 2 arrow 8, 1 arrow 7. So as per theorem, tai should be same hobo, iki hobo. That means alternate exterior angles are also equal. Okay, done. It will be khatam. Next is, so these are concept to 7. I want simple rock khatam ho jaise na, alternate interior angles, alternate bahar angles na. Next is corresponding, 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 angles, corresponding angles. corresponding angle la concept ti olop bujibo aman na corresponding angle la concept ti olop bujibo itu kinega bujabo corresponding angle la concept actually okay see corresponding angle la concept especially those who are right handers na mui apne ang ki sai ase na apne amra mui ki sai ase mui la right hand do itu ase change no korbo de position mui la right hand do itu ase to apne la right hand do kut pale ase itu du no hobo apne la right hand do yati wala ho de tujun milai chibole because among mirror nisna face kore ase once again mui ate ase mui la right hand do kut ase mui la right hand do itu ase tu la right hand do uthabi goisi gole tu la right hand do tati hobo do na isn't it only be mui la bi right tu la bi right hand ni ase to iki बनाओ गोशी बोले iki alignment di sawo गोशी बोले तो मुई भी change करो बोला है निया position में ना तिदा मुई लगा भी तो हो जाए right hand होय ना नय मुई लगा भी तो right hand हो जाए अनि भी मुई तो change करा करने change करा करने तो जुन लगा लप नि मिला निसना ना अपनी लगा right hand तो यति बले होला है मुई लगा right hand तो यति ऐसे कोई isn't it होली भी तो just alignment करने ऐसे ना मुई भी अपनी लगा face करा निसना कोरिश बोले तो मुई लगा भी यति आई जाओ होय ना नय right hand do so that means like we are corresponding my right hand is correspondingly equal to your right not equal to but my right hand is corresponding to your right hand also isn't it my right hand is also corresponding to your right hand also isn't it even though our positions may be slightly different we might be just sitting in the opposite directions room laga bhi sabi room laga bhi example suppose into room suppose ekta room ekta ase na suppose let's say ekta room ekta ase apni itu corner di bohina ase suppose itu ini let's say east direction di ase to aru ekta neighboring room suppose se ama baba la room to ama baba la room di east direction to kut hobo east direction to yati no hobo na taga la bi east direction to yati hobo taga bi east di bohi bi goshule taga ni bi yati aina bohibo lagibo to tar mane itu east aru itu east to same ase hole bi khali do na chak olaise yati khali dise ini position di change hoise lo khali na olaise chaigena tati position so itu duita iniga gangia manki ko corresponding na same position I mean same alignment dia ase same jaga dia ase I mean not jaga you know same direction dia hobo hole bi jaga dui alag ini quality thik hobo na bujise na to corresponding angles la bi sai chole parallel line ai jai transversal kate to sabi itu la corresponding to kuntu line ba lobo muini nam lobo ne 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 one laga corresponding to kunto hobo nisna pabe corresponding angle one laga corresponding to sabi de power sabi one to itu ase na to moi onlai gina room to change kori dise na east to east west to west same direction de itu cut korise aru yati paste koriji bole sabi one do itu ase na hoina noi onlai gina ani gina moi yati paste kori dise to ki hoy jay 1 now position or 5 now position the matching ho jero na 1 to aina to 1 to yeti ase de na itu ase 1 to na ai si ole tai 5 to oli bui jero na hoina noi tar mane corresponding angles to 1 aro 5 aro dusra bhi mila ho si ole 2 do milai si ole 2 to ani na yeti ase de 2 do kilo odi mile 6 isn't it 3 so 3 do itu ho to olai si milai na ani si ole kiman holai 3 to be 7 dia aja isn't it 3 to 7 so similarly 4 to 8 4 to 8 log dia aja and theorem is up corresponding angles can be hota hai equal thakibo simple as that means corresponding angles are also all equal hole ba mani to first concept to bujibo lage na corresponding angles to kun angles kan alternate interior angles to kun angles kan itu jani chhore do okay chalo thik ase corresponding angles kan equal hobo alternate angles kan equal hobo simple so that means for example moi tiny question ekta dise suppose itu 60 degree ase okay itu 60 degree ase aru moi apni angi kobo angle 5 kiman holabo aru itu duita line to confirm paka parallel L1 is parallel to L2 to first check koribo line to parallel asna nai asa thik ase parallel ase gosi bole aman cholabo de to angle 5 aro angle 60 to same hobo karon eta region to corresponding angles ase that means angle 5 to be hobo 60 degree okay eniga kuribo aman exercise dina chinta no koribo exercise bi moi solve koribo sob exercise solve kori dibo hoily be exercise solve koribole karone apni an viewership to hobo lage tida moi bi confidence aibo bishi manu anmar sai ase na ekjon duijon bai sai jori to moi bi alsi lagi jai na idu paradox videos kando share kori na sabi tida moi bi confidence pra manu kan moi laga video to sai na pori ase to kan kani banai dise video to paradox moi bi jana bi na apni an bi sai ase shiki ase. Okay, so corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, external angles are equal. The last one, number 4 hobo. Number 4 will be, it's a simple concept. Idu do ele purana theorem ra bhi ahi jai. If there are two parallel lines, only when they are parallel. Okay, only parallel lines, transversal cut hoise hoile interior angles lagana, angles on the same side of the transversal. Transversal to itu ase na, itu ra kati ase. So angle on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Supplementary mane aman porishina that is milaing na tar mane angle 1 plus angle 2 kiman hobo 180 degree. Similarly to angle 3 or to angle 4. To angle 3 or angle 4 milaing na kiman hobo it will be 180 degree. Tar mane idu theorem hisab ra itu ahibo, that is angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180, angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180. Only be only when they are parallel lines. So kitia bro tagamro question bi buju ulta korna hudibo na, that suppose angle 1 to this apni ange 70 or into this 110. So then we do line L1 or L2 to parallel last na 9. To inia time ki korbo 110 plus 70 180. 180 right na supplementary ho jay chalo parallel. Hoili bi idu 40 idu 110 kiman holo 150 no chance 150 180 to hobole lage ta jun milai na na titya idu line duita to parallel last no issue bole to most probably ta inia thagibo, most probably ekta side pali more than 180 ho jabo, ekta side pali less than 180, to less than 180 side ti tai join koro tar mane itu duita to parallel noy. Okay, so that is it. Bas itu ase, that's the concept of alternate interior angles, corresponding angles, alternate exterior angles. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button. Whoa, that's sorry. Yeah, Corona, don't worry, no problem. So like koribi aro subscribe bhi koribi aro moi ki bhi janabi video to kinia lagise, and then along with this simultaneously, if I get enough viewerships and then if I am also confident that people are watching, then very soon I will be starting a simultaneous discussion on surface areas and volumes of class 9. So stay tuned for bigger videos, more conceptual videos, and more interesting videos. So till then, see you in the next video where we will solve, if I get enough views, I will definitely solve the next exercise, every problem, I promise. So till then, see you, bye bye.